What's going on, YouTube? Brandon Lechuga here. Thought I'd make a quick video. How's it going? I'm working on my Kawasaki Teryx, and it doesn't have any interior lights, so at night it's, you know, pretty dark back here and in the cab, which it's hard to, you know, shift all this into different gears. So what I did was, let me show you ours. Sorry, it's dirty and it's a mess right now. So you can see it's green wheels, and it's the 2015 Kawasaki Teryx 800cc. Everything's black and green. Yeah, and the paint job is like white with a little bit of green flakes, if you can see that right there. And actually my Challenger has got pretty much the exact same paint job, so it's pretty crazy. But anyways, let me get back to the main point of the video. I'm going to show you really fast how to put interior lights in. So, you know, if you turn the key on, you can get your headlights and stuff, but everything in here is dark. Excuse me. So I just did this. It's a switch, and it will light everything up. This one, I want it a little bit lower, but my dad wants it right here, so you can kind of see the gear switcher or the gear shifter. So that one's gonna go right there. This one's actually gonna go facing outward like that, so it should light up in here. And it doesn't show that great right now because you know, it's daylight and I have the garage door open completely. So that one's gonna go right there. Then I have one on each side in the back. You can see the light over there, and that's just gonna go like right up in here, so light down there. Again, sorry the vehicle's a mess right now, but yeah, and that way, you know, all these are out of water range, and you know, you can use them at night and stuff, and you'll be good to go. So anyways, as you can see, everything's pretty flush. You can't see anything, so I figured I'd tell you how to take apart your center console really fast. And take apart the center console, you're gonna want to pop these little plastic pins out. The easiest way to do it that I found, I'll just show an example on this one. This one's a little bit easier and I'm doing it one-handed, was to insert it and then kind of just twist it back and forth. And then, yeah, once it's twisted, you should be able to come in here, pull up like that, and then boom. Then when you put it back in, down, push. So anyways, let me show you really fast how many of these you have to take out if you want to put lights on, you know, your Kawasaki. So you're gonna have one right here, and then you saw you had one in the middle right there. There aren't any on this side. You're gonna come back around to the back of it. You're gonna have a clip right here, clip right here. Let me stand up in the vehicle really fast. Another clip right there. One right there, one right there, and then one right there. And then you don't have any on the side. So that's how you take it apart. And then when you're putting it back in, you're gonna want to make sure you can see, like, this is a piece of plastic that goes down in, and there's gonna be one right here. So you'll line it up, you'll push on the side, both sides like this, you'll press down, you'll grab it, press down, everything should click back together. And if it doesn't, it might take a few shots to get this in, you know, but it's really easy. It was actually a lot easier than what I anticipated. What took me the longest figuring out how to get the clips off, because you can't just put the flathead in like this and just go up and down, because it just will not work. So like I said, you'll stick the flathead in and twist it. So yeah, that's how you put lights in your Kawasaki. If you are thinking about, you know, because, you know, we like to ATV all summer, so when it gets hot, cold, doesn't really matter, but it gets dark, so that solves the problem right there. And then I just bought this online, and leave it plugged in all the time if you don't want it, or if you want to not leave it plugged in, you just set it right there and then plug in whatever you need. And again, this, I try to hide as many of the wires as possible, just to make it the best. So let's see. what it looks like. Here's the seat. There's it's in. Let me plug this in really fast. Doesn't really show through over here too much, but again, that's not. Let's see, it'll be up in here like that. So, yeah, no, I think this will be good. Let me throw on the other seat so we can kind of see what that's gonna look like. Keep in mind, it's facing up right now. The light is, and it's just sticky adhesive that I'm gonna be using. Boom. Perfect. Yeah, it works. So, I hope you found this video helpful. And again, this is just how to even take off the center console, because there's a fuel line in here that I'm going to run. I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to rerun that because I was told the fuel air vent or something like that, the air valve, causes the fuel pump to go out, so you need to actually run it either up and over, or there's a guy that ran it up like right into here. But personally, I think I'm going to run it up and over and just up in here so it can breathe properly. That's just me. I don't want to get dirt and mud in it, so I saw someone run it to like right here. Don't really want to do that. But, and again, down in here. And I pulled this apart and there's mud in there and stuff, so not really wanting to do that either. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I'm going to do a lot of videos with the UTV on how-tos, and I do a lot of videos with my Dodge Challenger, my Dodge Nitro, my Chevy Silverado, and my pit bike. And I do a lot of tutorials on videos and reviews, so check them out. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know. I always like feedback, so if there's anything I can change or do, let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.